In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the mass airflow sensor on this Mazda 6 with a 2.5 liter naturally aspirated engine. Let's get started. Let's remove the connector off the mass airflow sensor, set it aside, and then use a Phillips head screwdriver and remove the two screws that hold this on. We're going to have to reuse these, so try not to lose them, and if they're in poor condition, replace them. With those out, you can give this a wiggle, pull it straight up. It's got an O-ring that seals it up. And there it is. Install the mass airflow sensor very gently. Make sure that O-ring is seated fully. And start in your two bolts, or screws. They're threading into plastic. When you tighten them, you want to be very gentle. Try not to over-tighten them at all. Once they bottom out, give them about 1/8 of a turn. If you strip this plastic here, it's not going to seal up and you're going to have issues. Just a little extra. Perfect. Plug it in. Clear any codes if you had any. Make sure that connector clicks. Turn it on, make sure it runs good, and there you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.